What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding rationalizing a two-term denominator. This is practice number 2, and the first example I want to show you is 5 over 5 plus root 6. So it's going to be 5 over 5 plus root 6, and then we need to multiply it, the numerator and denominator, by the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be 5 minus root 6, 5 minus root 6. Then you multiply the numerators, which is 5 times 5 minus root 6. And the denominator is going to be 5 squared minus root 6 squared. So it's going to be 5 times 5 minus root 6. And here you have 25 minus 6. Then it will be 25 minus 5 root 6. And here you have negative 19. Next example is 6 over 3 minus root 7. Answer is 6 over 3 minus root 7 times 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 plus root 7. That's going to be 6 times 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 squared minus root 7 square. So it's going to be 6 times 3 plus root 7 divided by 9 minus 7. That will be 6 times 3 plus root 7 divided by 2. And then you cancel out. 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 3 over 3 plus root 7. Or you can say 9 plus 3 root 7. Next example is 6 over 6 plus root 5. Answer is 6 over 6 plus root 5 times 6 minus root 5 divided by 6 minus root 5. That will be 6 times 6 minus root 5. And here we have 6 squared minus root 5 squared. That will be 36 minus 5, which is 31. Next example is 5 over 4 minus root 11. Answer is 5 over 4 minus root 11 times 4 plus root 11 divided by 4 plus root 11. That will be 5 times 4 plus root 11 divided by 4 squared minus root 11 squared. That will be 5 times 4 plus root 11 divided by 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 is 5, so that's cancel out. It will be just 4 plus root 11. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.